Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by Container Crops. It's all about growing in small spaces. I grow everything in containers, and you can too. These are my strawberries. They're right here on my deck. I don't have far to go. You don't have to have a large yard or a big plot of land. You can just simply grow it in your windowsill, on your countertop, your deck, your patio. It doesn't matter. Anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. Guys, come on this journey with me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll always be notified every time I upload an amazing video. I always say, waste not, want not. I'll see you on the trail.